Hi, I'm Maren with Bambiz, and welcome back, everyone. If you're an estate planning or elder law attorney looking for effective yet efficient ways to grow your practice, you're in the right spot. Today, we're going to share some straightforward strategies that are both easy to implement and time-saving. Let's start making your practice even more successful without overloading your schedule. Let's kick things off with community workshops. These aren't just events, they're opportunities to connect deeply with your community, showcase your expertise, and meet potential clients face-to-face. To maximize the impact of these workshops, integrating Facebook ads is a smart move. This approach helps you target specific audiences you want to reach, ensuring that your events get in front of the right eyes. It's about creating buzz and filling seats effortlessly, so your expertise does the talking. Now, let's talk tech. Technology should be your ally, not another chore. By adopting the right tools, you can automate much of the mundane marketing work that takes up your precious time. Think about setting up automated email campaigns for outreach and reminders, or using social media scheduling tools to maintain your online presence consistently. This way, you can spend more time doing what you do best, advising and assisting your clients. Shifting focus to high-impact activities, let's pinpoint where your efforts can really pay off. Investing a bit of time in SEO can significantly enhance your website's visibility, attracting more visitors day after day. Also, creating high-quality, evergreen content can engage and educate your audience continuously. These activities are the gift that keeps on giving, bringing potential clients to your doorstep. Are you ready to streamline your marketing and free up more of your time for clients? Check out our website or schedule a free 15-minute call with our team at bambiz.net to see how we can tailor these strategies specifically for your practice, ensuring you achieve the growth you deserve. Thanks for tuning in today. If you like what you heard, please show us some love with a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our helpful updates. Got a question or want to chat? Drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, we're here not just to help you succeed, but to ensure you thrive. Until next time, keep empowering your clients and making a difference in their lives, one family at a time.